looking for a continuation to the downside. Pound yen. So pound yen, last week we had this shaded area as a buy zone. We are looking for buys in this area. Okay, we are looking for just buys. So we had a weekly level. These three levels are weekly levels, and essentially we're waiting for a breaker to form and then we buy. So I didn't share it prior to this first trade. Let me delete this one so you can see. So I didn't share the dates, the actual date prior to this first trade. So I took this first trade by myself and then I shared the date. So in this shaded box, we are looking for higher prices on this pair. So this morning I woke up and I saw price trying to retrace. We had a low here, a high. This is the manipulation I'm talking about. This is not a stop hand or a stop run. Okay, they stop people out. This is not stop run. This is manipulation. Okay, down candles all the way down to take out this low. Okay, this is a stop run. That's the difference. When price doesn't close below a previous low, that is a stop run. This is a manipulation. Okay, they manipulated price down only to take it up. So when I saw the retracement this morning right in here, I got a buy. So if you pull the fib there, and this is what I'm talking about in terms of a buy model. If I'm expecting price to go higher, I don't expect it to go below that 70.5. It can go there, but it should be a wick. If it goes beyond that, I'm looking at it as this is going to go down, come back up, take out a short-term high, and then come down and break the low. Okay, so this morning I saw it right there, and then I hopped into a demo buy. We are trading demo this time. No live funds. Okay, or just observing price. Right, and I'm looking for higher prices because of this shaded box. The shaded box is indicating higher prices on pound yen. Okay, so I'm still expecting at least this high to be taken. All right, and I'll give you a little hint or a little what's the word, secret in trading. So I want you to look at this high and this low. Okay, the way I see price. This is my little secret. We have a few people in here, so I can share it. So when you have a high and you have a low, and then price breaks this short-term high, this is bullish. Okay, so where do I expect price to go to for my first target? So for my first target, I look at the low attached to the high that is broken, and I extend it up and I find that high. So I look for the leg that led price to manipulate, basically, and then I find the low attached to it, and I find the high, and I extend it out and look for target there. If you don't believe me, go through your chart and then you see how many times you see that after we break a short-term high, connect the dots, and you see when what price does.